Replacing the fuel, or the air filter is extremely easy. It's just right underneath here. I just put a new one in. As you can see, this turns off by hand. That one turns off with a screw. I popped it out of there, making sure not to get anything down in there. Took this one off, and then that piece just comes off, that whole in piece. And then this was a separate filter that I bought. It's kind of what they call a pre-filter. They put the filter right over top. Just attach that in, put that back down there. This is an easy maintenance item, something you could do every season, or you blow it out and clean it. But they're cheap. This wasn't that expensive, so I think once a season, just buy a new one of these. It takes literally I don't know, 3 minutes. Unscrew that, undo that, pull it up, pop it off, pull this one off, put a new one on, strap it back on, and boom. Simple as that. There you go. That's how easy it is to change a filter. Air filter on a Kawasaki engine, FR730V, 60-inch, 0-turn by Hustler. They call this the Raptor SD model. Mine's really dirty, but 2020 model.